Assalamu alaikum. As in the previous video, we learned about creating file, creating directories, and reading file, deleting files, and creating parameterized functions and return value from a functions. So now we will continue from there. Now first we will start from appending a file. We will edit the text of already written file, creating a bash file using the nano command. And at first we will write here bin bash, and then we will write echo appending a file. Then by using the touch command we will create a new file, and by using the echo command, echo, and within the quotation double quotation marks we will input our data. Data is inserted in the file, and with a greater than sign and then the name of the file we will insert the text in that file. And at the end we will write here cat and the name of the file new file.txt to print the text in that specific file. So without writing the cat command, it will just print the echo command. It will not print the text in that specific file. So we will have to write cat and the name of the file. So when we write here cat new file.txt, and now when we execute it, it will print the text in that file. Now if you want to modify the text of a file or insert some other sentences or words in that specific file, we will write echo, and within the quotation marks that specific line or word or whatever you want to enter, we will write that in the quotation marks, and then we will write greater than sign. So when we write in this format just by using a single greater than sign, then it will just replace the text of the file. Now if we want to modify the text, we want to add the text in that file, we want to overwrite the file, then we will use the double greater than sign. So it will just modify the text, it will not replace the text. So now when we execute the file, it is first printing the already written text, which is modified text, and then the new edited text, inserted text. So when we re-execute the file bash app file.txt, so it will again execute those lines. So we just want, if we just want to print this text once, so when we will write here after the before the touch file, we will write here rm new file.txt. So it will remove the already written file and create a new file and enter the text in that specific file. So when we re-execute the file, it is printing the text once, not twice or thrice, as in the above ones. At first the text was modified text, and then when we append the text, it is with the already written text, modified text, a new text is inserted, data is inserted to file and modified the text, and then we re-executed it. Commands. Now we will create another program to print the current time, and using this program we will print the date and time in numeric sequence, not in alphabetic. Now after the bin bash command, bin bash #bin bash, we will write here first the year variable, then the month variable, then day variable, or minute and second. So year variable will get the exact year from the date command, and then the month variable will get the exact month in numeric format from the date command, and all the remaining variables will get their numeric answer, like day get its specific date from the date command, and or will also get this exactly how much time it is, and the minute and the second. Then it will get exactly the same time in or, minute, and then seconds, and day, month, and year, but in not in the um, alphabetic order like 20 March 2020. It will print in the format like 07 10 2020. That means 7 October 2020. So now we will save the file and execute it. Bash check 1.sh. So now when we execute it, it will print the date as 8 for April, and 2020 is the year. So now it is printing the time in exact time, first or, then minutes, and then seconds. Now we will check about the wait command. So first creating a bash file, nano wait.sh. Now first here we will write hashtag bin bash, and then we will write an echo command to print wait command, just a single quote, and then we will write process ID, and it contains a specific ID, a unique ID for a process, and then we will write process ID is equals to dollar and exclamation mark. So it is a special variable, and it is used to find the process ID of a specific or a particular process. Then we will write wait and dollar sign process ID. So it will wait till the process completes, and then at the end we will print exit status. Now when we save the file and execute it, bash wait.sh, it will print status 0. So it is successfully executed as the exit status is 0. And if we write exit 1 in the start of the program, it will not execute, because exit 1 indicates the failure of a process or a program. Now check when we execute it bash wait, it is executing nothing. No output is displayed. So now creating another bash file for sleep command. Nano sleep.sh. Using this program, first we echo wait for 5 seconds, and then we will write sleep 5. That means it will wait for 5 seconds and then execute the last command completed. Now save the file and execute it. Bash sleep.sh, and when we execute it, it will wait for 5 seconds and then print the last command completed. And when we write here, instead of 5, we'll write here 1, and then execute the program. So it will just wait for 1 second and then execute the completed statement. And we can also change it to 10 seconds. And now when we change it to 10 seconds, we also replace the sleep 1 to sleep 10, and then it will wait for 10 seconds and then execute the completed statement. So today we learned about appending a file and printing current time in integer format, and wait command and sleep command.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.